For all fresh contents, subscribe, press the bell icon, and never miss an update from TechZada.
Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you 10 ways to make YouTube intros and outros. And I'm really sorry for not being active recently because I've been having a very tough time lately, so that's why I wasn't uploading any videos on my channel. Recently most of you guys have been asking me for this video, so here I am. In this video I'm going to show you not one, not two, but 10 different ways to make YouTube intros, YouTube outros, social media lower thirds, YouTube banners and more. Some of these methods are free and some are not. So watch this video till the end and I'll show you everything step by step. And if you have any YouTuber friends, then please share this video with them. Believe me, they will love you for it. So with that being said, let's begin.
Before starting this video, let me tell you that I'm not sponsored or affiliated with any of the websites that I'm going to use in this video. I'm going to use these websites just for your information. So first of all, let me show you the places where you can make YouTube intros by paying some money. And after that, I will show you the free websites or free ways to make YouTube intros. So first of all, open up your web browser, then type Envato Market. Envato Market is a place where you can find any kind of digital products like YouTube banners, theme or template for your WordPress websites and all those stuffs. Since you will be looking for YouTube intros, just click on this list and select footage and motion graphics. After that, type YouTube intro. As you can see, these are the intros that you can use in your videos. Now these are not free, you have to purchase it. You can also sort these intros by its category like After Effects projects, Premiere Pro projects and all those stuffs. So let's say I want to go with this one. You can also preview the intro from here. Okay, that looks nice. As you can see, this intro will cost you $21. After you purchase this intro, they will send you template of this intro. You can edit it on After Effects or Premiere Pro or Sony Vegas, I believe. If you don't know how to edit these templates that they have sent you, then you can pay some extra money and the seller will edit it for you. In this website, you can also find YouTube banners for your channel. Like I purchased this YouTube banner from this website. Just go to Graphic River and type YouTube banner. And you will have a lot of beautiful and eye-catching banners that you can use on your YouTube channel. Next up, we have Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is a place where you can hire people to do something for you. And you can also offer your services and make money off of it. If you don't know how to make money on Fiverr, then you don't have to worry. I already made a video about making money on Fiverr. You can watch them by clicking on I button at the top right corner. Since your main aim is to make YouTube intro, just go to search bar and type YouTube intro once again. As you can see, there are a lot of sellers that are ready to make YouTube intro for you. And most of these sellers will make intro only for $5. That is insane, right? Okay, here it says I will create 5 animated logo video intro from top 30 options. So let's see what this guy has to offer. 5 intros for $5. No, it's 3 intros for only $5 in 720p resolution. That's not a bad deal, right? So just go to Fiverr and look around and find the one that is best for you. If you are looking for a custom intro for your YouTube videos, then I recommend you to go with this seller. My intro is made by this seller. This seller is amazing. I loved her work. I just explained how I want my video intro to be and she just did it like this. That's why I'm recommending the seller to you guys if you are serious about making custom YouTube intro. And once again, I'm not asked to mention the seller on my video because I'm recommending the seller because I loved her work. So that's why I'm recommending the seller to you guys. Okay, next up we have FlixPress.com. FlixPress is another website where you can make YouTube intros by paying some money. Once you are in this website, just click on automated templates. Now you can see there are a lot of intros. Here's for text inner intro, not that one. Now select the one that you want to edit. Let's say I want to edit this one, web search intro. Just click on it and it will give you the detail of this intro. You can also preview this from here. In order to edit this, you have to create an account on FlixPress.com, and I believe you can make intro on this website for free, but they will have their watermark on video. In order to remove the watermark, you have to purchase it. I'm not going to create an account because it's going to take time. So just go to FlixPress and look around and you will find a very good intro for your channel. Next up, we have Biteable.com. Biteable.com is a website where you can make any kind of videos like video ads, explainer videos, infographics videos, intros, outros, and all those stuffs. And let me tell you what, nowadays most of people on Fiverr are making videos and selling this to their customers using this website. If you go to Fiverr and search for video ads or explainer videos, most of those sellers are using this website service, and you can also become one of those, and that's the secret. Don't tell anyone. Okay, since you'll be looking for YouTube intros, just go to templates, and as you can see there are different kind of videos over here. This website is mostly focused for businesses like business companies and all those stuffs. So scroll down and click on video intro templates. After that, select the one that you want. In my case, I'm gonna select this one, Minecraft intro. You can also preview over here. If you want to edit it, just click on edit this video. So let me quickly show you how you can edit this, because editing video on this website is a little bit tricky. So let me quickly show you that. Just click on edit this video and it will ask you to log in or create an account on this website, which I've already made. Okay, after that you will get to this page. As you can see, this intro has 6 different scenes and you can customize each one of them, and you can also add additional scene to this intro. Okay, once you've done that, you can edit these text with your own. You can also change the colors, audio, and all those stuffs. So let's say I want to do this one. Okay, next option is to pick an audio. You can also pick audio from its library. If you don't want the audio, just select the none one. After that, the next step is to preview the video. Now you can see here it says ready to preview your video. Just if you click on this button over here, they will render your video and send it to your email address, to the email address that you have created account with. Okay, next we have IntroChamp. Just go to Google and type IntroChamp. IntroChamp is another website which is mostly focused on YouTube intros. You can sort these intros by this category, like you want to make intro for business or technology, you can select that one. As you can see, they have a lot of great and amazing YouTube intros. So let's say I want to go with this one, Google Love first version and Google Love second version. So let's go to customize, and yeah, once again I have to tell you that this intro is not free. It will cost you about $5. You can preview this over here. My internet is slow, so I can't do that. So as you can see, you will have to pay about $6 for 1080p and $5 for 720p. If you like the intro, just click on order now and customize your video intro. That's how it works. If you don't know how to edit these intros, just go to this how to videos and they will explain everything for you. Okay, now let me show you the places where you can make YouTube intros, outros, YouTube banners, YouTube thumbnails without spending a penny. Yes, they are all free. Okay, first of all, open up your browser and type Velosofy. Velosofy is a website that provides templates that you can edit on After Effects, Sony Vegas, Blender, and all those good softwares. Okay, once you are in this website, just click on the software that you want to edit these templates with. In my case, I'm gonna go with Sony Vegas because I'm gonna edit these templates on Sony Vegas. After that, as you can see, there are a lot of intro templates that you can use it for your videos. So let's say I want to go with this one. You can also preview over here. If you don't know how to edit these templates, then you don't have to worry. Most of these video previews includes video tutorials that will help you to edit these. As you can see here, is showing how you can edit these templates. In order to download it, just click on download, and you can also subscribe to their channel and follow them on their Twitter accounts. Here you can see here it says download link will appear in this second, so you just have to wait for it. After that, download button will appear, and then you can download it. In this website, you can also find other things like YouTube banners, YouTube thumbnails, YouTube outros, lower thirds, and all those stuffs. Just click on this category, and as you can see here, you can find a lot of things. So let's go to banners, and there are a lot of good banners. If you are a gaming channel, then this is the treasure for you, believe me. As you can see, this website has a lot of banners especially made for gaming channels. As you can see, it says 5 free banners, and all these are mostly for gaming channels. As you can see, you can download and edit them and use them in your YouTube channel. You can also get some thumbnails from here, and as you can see, and most of these are for gaming channels. These are awesome. I wish I had a gaming channel to use these thumbnails. You can also get lower thirds. As you can see, they have a lot of great lower thirds, and I love them. Next up, we have LightingAp. LightingAp is basically a YouTube channel that provides editable templates of intros, outros, social media lower thirds, and all other things. And I mostly use this channel's social media lower thirds on my own videos. So just go to YouTube and search LightingAp, and yeah, this is the channel. Just open it, and as you can see, this guy has a lot of great and useful things for a YouTuber. For example, let's take a look at these social media lower thirds. They are awesome. I think he's a professional graphic designer. So first of all, go to his website. Just click on this website link, and it will take you to his website. As you can see, this website has a lot of great and useful things for a YouTube channel. This guy offers templates for only Sony Vegas software. So yeah, you must have Sony Vegas installed on your computer. So let's say I want to go and download templates for Sony Vegas 14. So just click on it, and as you can see, social media lower thirds, callouts, photo slideshow, that is amazing. So just go ahead and look around this website and download whatever you want. And this website also has YouTube banners. As you can see, this is also mostly for gaming channels. Most of these are for gaming channels. And you can also get some auto templates, like you can edit it on Photoshop, like this one and this one. This one looks amazing. I love it, this one. So just go ahead and check his website, and it's worth checking out. Okay, next up we have Panzoid. If you are a fan of dancing and dope kind of intros, just like the one you are seeing on your screen, then Panzoid is a place for you. Panzoid has a lot of great and awesome intro templates that you can use it on your YouTube channel. So just go to Google and search for Panzoid. Just open it, and as you can see, these are the templates that you can use it for your own videos. If you want more, just click on this more creations, and as you can see, there are a lot of great intros. Let's say I want to go with this one because this look amazing. Just click on it. After that, click on open in Clipmaker, and it's going to open it in video editor of Panzoid. So let's see how it looks. Bonfire. That looks amazing, isn't it? So in order to edit this text, just go to Objects. After that, scroll down and select the group text. And as you can see, there are 3 texts. You just have to replace all of them with your YouTube channel's name. So I'm gonna replace it with my YouTube channel's name. Don't touch anything else or you will screw everything up, okay? So now let's see. That looks amazing, right? Okay, in order to save this in your computer, just go to this download button over here, and after that click on Start Video Render. Click on Allow, and it's gonna render your video. Now it's gonna take time depending on processor of your computer. Yes, the processing of this rendering has to do with your computer's processor. If your computer processor is higher, then it's gonna take less time, so you just have to wait for it. So now you can see my rendering has begun. Okay, once rendering is done, just click on download video, and there we go. Okay, next we have TopFreeIntro. Just go to Google and type TopFreeIntro. Now this website is a great place where you can find intro templates for After Effects, Blender, Sony Vegas, and even Camtasia. Yes, you can find intro templates that you can edit on Camtasia Studio. So as you can see, this is the website and these are the templates. And if you click on more, as you can see here, it says Camtasia Studio intro templates. Just click on it and you can edit these templates on Camtasia 9 or 8. So as you can see, there are different kind of intros, and it will also show you the size and duration of the intros. Yeah, I love this one. As you can see, this is a great intro. You can download and edit them in your Camtasia Studio software. Okay, last but not least, we have Official Motions. Official Motions is another YouTube channel that provides templates for intros, outros that can be edited only on After Effects. So just go to YouTube and search for Official Motions. Here is the channel, just open it. As you can see, there are a lot of awesome and cool intro and outro templates. Just go to his website, then click on Graphics, then choose After Effects. And as you can see, these are the templates that you can edit on After Effects. So let's go to this one. This looks amazing. You can also preview the intro over here. In order to download it, just scroll down and click on download for free. Here it says buy now. You don't have to worry because the price of this template is $0. Just click on buy now. After that, it will select the country automatically. Then type your email address, then click on download, and you will get this template in your email address. Once you get this template in your email address, you can download and edit them with yourself.
So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to share this video with your friends. And if you want more videos like this, then please subscribe to my channel with notification on. And I'll catch you on the next one. Stay blessed.